Hi, what's going on guys? Welcome to my channel. This is the first video on my channel, Investing Hub. I'm going to be trying to do trades and everything investing and trading on here. That is something I've been doing for a while now, and I thought why not give it a try on here. So bear with me with this video. It is going to be a bit rough and ready, but I wanted to get this video in particular out as soon as possible. So what we're going to be talking about today is GigaCloud technology. This is an IPO that was meant to be released on the 19th. It has actually come out on the 18th, which has caught a few people off guard. As you can see, it opened up at 12.50, the IPO price. We've seen a short spike, as you normally do these IPOs, up to 21.20. And then it consolidated throughout the day after the insiders have obviously sold or whatever. Towards the end of the day, it got kind of a bit of a run up, and after hours, we are seeing a bit of a run up. That's why I'm trying to get this video out as soon as possible for the people that have missed it or was waiting for tomorrow and didn't realise it's come out already. This is actually quite a good company. This is a Hong Kong IPO, just to let you know. As you can see down here, there's a lot of hype around these Hong Kong IPOs with what's happened with HKD and Miguel. These have been going crazy. As you know, with Miguel and HKD, they've gone up hundreds of percent. So be interesting to see how this goes. This is actually probably the better business out of all them sort of stocks. This is actually a profitable. I'm not sure they're profitable yet, but they are building revenue year over year, and it's also backed by It's backed by JD Sports. Yeah, they own a 12% stake in the business-to-business trading platform, specialising in the merchandise for the furniture sector. So it's backed by JD, which can't be a bad thing because JD are a massive company. Like I said, this has had a lot of news come out since, as you can see, it's 20% up, but this is the first day of trading and it's just been non-stop news since it's come out. I think the news articles are predicting what could be happening here, but with these IPOs, it's kind of impossible to predict. I've done a small chart just to show you what could be happening. So as you can see, they get released here, normally dumps, and then we've kind of followed up in this line. It's not really much of a chart with one day, can't really get much detail, but that's what I'll be looking for. If it opens up above this line, I think we'll push back up to the all-time high and hopefully break that. I have started a position in this just to be totally transparent, just before close, just because what has happened with the other Hong Kong IPOs, and I'm sure when people do get onto this, it's going to blow up. Getting onto people getting onto it, if you actually look at GigaCloud here on stock twits, it's up 1769. But what is interesting is the watches. It's already at 1650 watches, and it is also trending after what 12 to 12 hours or something. It's been actually out on most trading platforms. I know Webull didn't actually let anyone trade this just yet, but it is interesting to see what is going on. So we're at 1600 watches and trending. If we look at the last IPO that come out, which was top Hong Kong IPO as well, this has only got 840 watches. So GCT has also already broke above the watches on stock twits. I know stock twits isn't always the best place to look, but it is nice to see the volume, and as you can see, this has got a lot of volume, trending number one on here, above GME, above BBBY, which does initiate that we could see a lot of price action tomorrow on the opening. Just wanted to get this out there for you guys to have a look at this stock. I know some of you might have been thinking this was coming out tomorrow, but it has actually opened up today, as you see the price action. But I think this is definitely one to keep on your radar. It's hard to predict with these IPOs because they all do something different, but if we take off what the last few Hong Kong IPOs have done, this is the better one business wise, which doesn't always mean everything these days, but in terms of low floats, and this is up there with them, to be honest. So this is going to be interesting to see. Put it on your watch list and see where it goes if you're not looking to invest, or if you are, be ready on open tomorrow, because I think the first few hours of trading will make or break this, depending on how we open up. If it stays around these prices, it will be interesting, but we're at 11 o'clock now, so in UK time, so we've got hours yet before the market reopens. As you can see, it's changing percentages all the time. But yeah, definitely check it out. GCT is the ticker. If we go over to all the IPOs that have been released, this is the latest one. So GCT was there. We had the other Hong Kong IPO was Megel. As you can see, it's still up from its IPO price, 226%. Then we had HKD and Top. Top is on here. That's also up. Another Hong Kong IPO, 110%. So and then we've got the HKD. It's around here, but we all know what that did. So if we look at what the other Hong Kong IPOs have done recently, it's quite exciting to see where this one might go. Yeah, hope you guys do like this video. It is my first one on the channel. I know it is a bit rough and ready, but I wanted to get this out there as soon as possible before everyone else gets onto this. Hope you like the video. Tomorrow I'm going to stream before market open, so be sure to just subscribe and we'll see what's going on tomorrow. I'm going to try to do daily live streams on market opens and throughout the day, see what trades we can find, and also just watch the stocks that we are watching, which will be going through on the stream. So like I said, please, if you like the video and you want more videos like this, stocks that might be taking off or setups that might be coming up, please smash the subscribe button, and I'll be sure to check you all in the next video.